the approach of probably bigger firms in Mumbai or probably Bangalore or Hyderabad or probably Delhi, and firms that are based out of here actually are working in two-tier cities and making all the difference to those cities. And that's how you're seeing a lot of good work come up in these areas. People from these two-tier cities are actually shortlisting and hunting down architects in bigger cities. They're trying to get bigger firms engaged in doing the projects. And that's how you're seeing a lot of good work come up in these areas.
So Udaipur has never seen a commercial building which looks like, I keep going to Mumbai. I've been to BKC so many times and I've seen the buildings, the glass buildings. So I wanted something like in Udaipur.
Though it is a low-rise structure, there were lots of details and other things that were required in terms of the kind of finishing that we want to achieve both from the exterior and the interior. So we got contractors who were very experienced on doing facades, especially in glass, aluminum and ACP and all these materials that have gone into the making of the building. Even the glass that we've used on the lower floor is entirely large single panel sheets which are almost 6 meters in height. They have actually gone a step ahead from what probably normally would have been built in Udaipur. And they had the vision, they had the belief that they could do it, and that's how they could actually achieve what has been built. I believe every kind of company or other people who are looking for spaces ultimately want an address to go to, and I think they were also looking at probably giving this place some kind of identity and address that companies would kind of like to come to and work from. So that was their whole intent. ACP generally is a versatile material. You bend it, you twist it, you turn it, you can use it however you want. And because it is versatile and so flexible, and you can do a lot of this and that in that, which normally you would not. Other things come with fixed sections, fixed sizes, and you kind of running by that. And the idea was to kind of produce some kind of movement on the facade of the building. We didn't want it to just be a bland glazed facade, and we wanted some kind of additions to the outside. And that was just purely aesthetical kind of approach to the entire thing. Major criteria was to ensure that the exterior does not have any kind of fading or any kind of something that gets destroyed over a short period of time because of the sunlight or because of the rain or because of the outside elements. Probably sometimes you have acid in the atmosphere that kind of stains the surface. I think one of the major challenges that we face with facades is that, we want to control heat, we want to control light. And these are very, very important factors for any of our projects, depending on the direction which we are facing and whether we are facing east, west, north, south. Based on those directions, we'll end up kind of choosing the quality of glass that we need to kind of use on the exterior facade. One of the clear things that I believe in and we've done over the years is ensure that all my buildings are made with a double-glazed unit. The reason why the wood series or the timber series was used is because we wanted to produce a warm effect in a certain area. In fact, that floor was supposed to be used as a restaurant, the one which is having a big large balcony where there is ACP fitted onto the ceiling of the... And doing wood ceiling would not really serve the purpose because you have other weathering effects which kind of create a problem for natural woods. Yeah, the sand series, it's just a rougher, slightly more textured surface, because that is something that people would actually be able to touch and feel because they were actually using the space. And on the outer facade, when we use the plain one, that is because we want to control the amount of dirt and dust and other things that collected on the facade of the building. So there was a very clear mandate for using flat plain surface on the outside, the wood on the ceiling, and the sand series on the inside. We wanted something for people to experience when they got in and got out of the lobby. So this is the feature wall that comes up right outside the lobby, and that's done in stone because we felt that would be an appropriate material. The granite kind of is a nice strong statement, gives you a good feel on the outdoors.
it's very nice. I was happy with the customer service, timely deliveries, and the quality is top notch. So I'm overall happy with Aludecor.